What is sin? We live in a culture where the concept of sin has become entangled in legalistic arguments over right and wrong. When many of us consider what is sin, we think of violation of the Ten Commandments. Even then, we tend to think of murder and adultery as major sins. Compared with lying or cursing. Sin is mentioned hundreds of times in the Bible. Starting with the original sin when Adam and Eve ate of the tree of knowledge. God wanted us to recognize our sins. Even those who have not murdered or committed adultery will find themselves convicted of lying or of worshipping false idols like wealth or power ahead of God. Tragically, sin in any amount will distance us from God. Today, we consider 7 deadly sins. These are pride. Pride is excessive belief in one's own abilities that interferes with the individual recognition of the grace of God. It has been called the sin from which all others arise. Pride is also known as vanity. Envy. Envy is the desire for others' traits, status, abilities, or situation. Gluttony. Gluttony is an inordinate desire to consume more than which one requires. Lust is an inordinate craving for the pleasure of the body. Anger. Anger is manifested in the individual who spurns love and hopes instead for fury. It is also known as wrath. Greed. Greed is the desire for material wealth or gain, ignoring the realm of the spiritual. It is also called avarice or covetousness. Sloth is the avoidance of physical or spiritual work.